Them just catch one house girl wey go poison our oga food, and this one dey happen inside Ibadan. This 18 years old girl cook for her boss, but e be like say something fishy come dey smell inside the food. Na there the man come call this girl say come. E be like say something dey smell inside this food. Na there they come ask this girl say oya taste this food. Na there aunty begin go back and forth say the food no go taste well inside her own mouth. Say make the oga chop and na inside the oga mouth na the thing go taste well. My people abeg, make una follow me watch.
Kí ló ṣe for him? Yesterday night when you are sleeping, she wake up and she stand up, abi? Yes. Mo sọ fún mo gbọ́ sí ọ̀rìn ìrùlé. Ìgbà mo fi ń bọ̀ tà sí mo bọ̀ àbí mo gbọ́ sí ọ̀rìn ìrùlé.
Nígbà tí wọ́n mi yàtọ̀ sígbà tí mo lọ tọ̀.
Hello. Kí ló ṣe for him? Má pa ọkọ.
Mi Ọlọ́run gbọ́ mi mọ̀ kó tó ṣe.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́?
Ó yẹ kí pé 19.
Fẹ́ pé 19. So ó lè lọ sí police station. Raise the apple up, let me see. Let me do it. Ó yá jẹ́ wo nǹkan tó dá sí.
Súnmọ́ di oúnjẹ tó dá.
Náà sókè. Ṣé torí pé oúnjẹ tó dé láti jọ Saturday sí èyí Wednesday tí mo fìyà jẹ ni?
Wà ládùn wà sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa kó jẹ́.
Kì í ṣe kan tí àwọn ọmọ mi tó ń jẹ níwọ náà ń jẹ ni.
Una don see wickedness in the highest order. In fact, this lady go pour hypo. For those of them who don't know it to be hypo, this one na bleach. The two they take wash white. I bet they use and take soak white. Now this girl go pour inside the vegetable wey these people won't eat. I beg, why be say some people just wicked like that? This person no do anything. You come reason and say you won't pour this kind way. Be say you know say if the person chop and the person go die. The one wey come surprise now when they come ask this girl say wetin make her do this one, she come say na devil. Una dey see devil sit down on him own jejely o. Una go use na wicked mind go do something and I come outside dey blame devil say na devil cause this one. And funny enough, this girl just start work. E never even reach 1 week wey this girl start work. She don truly, in fact, now I believe and say truly na devil center. Because person wey never take, she don dey plan kill you. E mean say this girl come this house for a mission. Families, make una dey careful. Make una use this one learn. If you know say you won't call, in fact, no be say if you know say, learn to dey live without housemaids. Because some of these people, their heart and mind, everything with this na evil things. Make we even reason and say okay, maybe they maltreat this girl. Now wetin make this girl come dey do them like this? But this one e never too take. So e show say this girl they never even do her anything. And some people say no matter how good way you treat them, that evil mind wey they just get now wetin just dey their mind. They just come with the mindset say they won't come plan evil thing. If you know say you go even collect maid, in fact the best thing look for professional people. In which one you know say this person do you something, you go fit even hold the company. No be say you go dey find girl wey be say they don't go bring from village. Or in the name of say you won't pay them 5,000. My advice to this family, make they just carry this girl, go back to where she come from. Because person wey fit execute killing within 1 week, she don already dey plan hypo plantings on how to take you. It means if this girl stay for your house for more than a year, in fact, soon everybody go just die. We just thank God say this girl no succeed in her plan. And we thank God where na police station they will carry, I no even know. Because this one now she dey claim say she be 18. And 18, if you go the reason say maybe this girl never too grew. But make na just a thank God for her life. Say this hypo una no even get the chance to chop am. My people, this one why here as make I bring am come. Make na service na here. Here wetin dey happen. Anything when I get to talk about am, make na no forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.